What is up, you sweaty nerds and degenerates? It's me, yung inyong lingkod, ang God Gamer na kung tawagin. At ako ay gagawa ng video na to kasi ang dating is it's appropriate this time to do this type of videos. So, what the heck am I saying nga ba? It's about yung kung tawagin natin ay ang eleksyon. May eleksyon bukas. Barangay at Sangguniang Kabataan. Ayun. So, why am I gonna talk about this here on this channel? We can try this theme muna. Follow up. It's no. So why am I going to talk about doing a barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan topic? Because of tomorrow. This is a review channel. This is a gameplay channel. Well, it turns out kasi ngayon hindi ako boboto bukas. I know it's a holiday tomorrow to allow us na bumoto para sa barangay at Sangguniang Kabataan elections. Pero isipin nyo ito. Okay? Kailan ba naging kapani-pakinabang ang barangay at Sangguniang Kabataan? Kailan? Di ba never? Pangit ah. Di ba never naging kapani-pakinabang sa atin yung barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections? Di ba? We can't delay kasi try. Una, ang mga nasa Sangguniang Kabataan, ako ay 32 years old na, okay? So, I don't know naman. Maybe I'm just mad. Maybe I'm just really on beyond my age. Pero kasi, kung tutuusin, okay, we got all blessing of relations. Kung tutuusin mo kasi, di ba sa Sangguniang Kabataan, it's supposed to be yung sila yung training ground ng mga politiko. Well, it turns out kasi, hindi naman ang laging ginagawa ng Sangguniang Kabataan is liga. Liga this, liga that. Okay? Buti lang tawagin na lang natin La Liga Filipina ang Sangguniang Kabataan. Kasi puro na lang liga, hindi sila talaga, alam mo yun, hindi talaga sila gumagawa ng mga kanilang ng kanilang mga proyekto talaga. It's all about basketball. At kung hindi basketball, edi bagong motor. Kung tawagin natin ay NMAX, di ba? Ayun, Yamaha NMAX. Ay, sabi nga di ba sa Reddit, ang SK Sangguniang NMAX na lang ang tawag. Kaya napaka unfair, okay? Sa atin or sa inyong mga kabataan na bumoto kayo, sayangin yung oras nyo bumoto, imbes na magpahinga na lang kayo, pumunta sa beach, mahaba yung weekend, 30-31. Book na kayo ng flight para hindi magipit sa airport. Kasi sayang lang talaga. At dapat yung SK mabuwag ngayon. Okay. So there, that's where I sent my regards pagdating dito sa Ano yun pagdating dito sa Sangguniang Kabataan? Ngayon, we are going to talk about the other elections that is going to happen, and it is the much lauded one, the barangay elections. Sasabihin ko sa inyo, ako'y membro ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Wala akong pagdududa or wala akong tinatago in or the better term. Okay? And sa pagiging Iglesia ni Cristo ko, may natuto kami. That is voting for unity. Yung and that also includes, okay? That also includes yung barangay and sangguniang kabataan elections. Ayan. Yeah, and for me, itutupad daw sa kaisahan kasi sa Iglesia ni Cristo. 'Di ba kung dapat pare-parehas yung 'di ba? Yung botohan. Hindi naman pare-parehas bobotohin namin ng barangay chairman. So, in a sense, walang kaisahan, 'di ba? And yung time na kailangan kong gawin to travel for a barangay election is really time consuming. Parang babiyahe pa ako. At kayo rin, babiyahe pa kayo. Hindi na kayo tumitira sa dati yung barangay, pero babiyahe pa kayo pa uwi para lang bumoto, tapos babalik rin kayo. Kung ginamit nyo na lang ang time para makapagbakasyon, di ba? Di sana diba? Di sana tapos na ang ating usapan. Pero hindi. Hindi siya worth it sa travel time. Hindi siya worth it na uuwi ka tapos nauwi ka lang sa probinsya mo or sa dating lugar mo sa Kamaynilaan after mo yung tawag doon? After mo lumipat, after pumahinga sa condo mo, at gagamitin mo na lang, tapos boboto ka lang, tapos babalik ka rin, hindi ka makikinabang sa parang gawain ng ng barangay mo. Okay? Para nakikinabang ka sa gawain ng ibang barangay. Okay? And yeah, that's like the gist of it. It's really not worth talaga the time and the money and the gasoline to vote for the barangay elections. Una sa lahat, may mga barangay na unopposed, di ba? Na talagang walang kalaban. And this is really eye-opening kung walang kalaban yung barangay na pagbubotohan mo. So, parang wala rin. Yung barangay na pupuntahan mo, wala naman natang walang tatakbo dun. Walang tatakbo sa barangay namin. So, it's really, isa lang yung incumbent lang So, it's really just a waste of my precious time para bumoto. Kung alam naman natin sino mananalo And that's it for you. Maybe it doesn't work for you, but it works for me too. It works for me pala. And it should consider rin. Di mo makukuha yung proyekto kasi di ka nakatira doon. Tapos, minsan unopposed. Consider nyo yun bago kayo bumoto. Okay? And, ayun. Maybe you will have a good time or a better time just to take into consideration na matulog ka na lang or magpahinga na lang. Use the October 31 day as part of the holiday. So, mag-leave ka. Also, the corruption sa mga barangay, really rampant. Okay? Like, I know corrupt officials on the top of my head in my barangay, in my former barangay. So, yeah. Another thing to be wary of is, oh, we got no, iniisip ko kung mag silver wolf, pero sino papalitan ko? Siguro ano, okay na to. Push mo na lang. Puta siya. Okay, so going back, it's really just way for, you know, corrupt officials to get more money. There's a lot of corruption in the barangay, di ba? So why don't you just like ignore it, di ba? Sana maging ano, parang ayun, sana gawin nyo tong gabay. Just not vote. Just use it to rest, di ba? And in terms of makikinabang, mas makikinabang pa kayo sa pagpapahinga dito sa barangay elections the whole day. Sama kayo ng nanay, tatay nyo, kasama mo si mama, kasama nyo yung pamilya nyo, than like saying doing the right thing doing the so-called right thing. Yeah. Ako, hindi ako boto. This is the first time I will skip voting at an election. And it doesn't really, it's just, para sa akin, jobber election lang tong barangay election and SK election. Lalo na yung SK na yan. That's just a jobber type of election. And that is, that isn't worth my time and my effort to go back and see. Also, yung mga kabarangay ko nun, if may kaaway ka, mas makikita mo, it's better off not to return na talaga. Okay? And yeah, so that's all my shared thoughts. Oh yeah, that's my shared thoughts dito sa barangay and the Sangguniang Kabataan elections. What do you think naman kasi? Do you think that I am overreacting ba pagdating sa election na to? Do you think I am wrong for not voting? Let me know naman sa comments nyo. And let's talk about it. It's the barangay elections worth voting for these days. And yeah, this is your boy, the God Gamer talaga, Harriet, telling you his hot takes. Not vote, at kung may kaisahan, huwag na lang kayo sumunod siguro. I know I will get into hot water for saying this, but it's really for the betterment naman of my well-being. Huwag na lang talaga bumoto. I mean, yung mga OFW naman, hindi sila makakaboto sa barangay election. What makes me different, right? This is yours truly, Harriet. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to my hot takes. Goodbye and good night. Bye.